Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry potatoes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite potatoes, like Yukon Golds or Russets, along with 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of fragrant curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of vibrant turmeric. Finally, have 1 cup of vegetable broth ready, plus some fresh cilantro for that perfect finish. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by peeling and dicing your 2 pounds of potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, finely chop your 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and grate that 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Once hot, add the chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it's beautifully softened and translucent. With the onions softened, it's time to build those amazing flavors. Add your chopped garlic and grated ginger to the pot, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, toasting these spices for 30 seconds to release their aromas. Now, add your diced potatoes and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Your curry potatoes are almost ready. First, check the potatoes for tenderness. They should be easily pierced with a fork. Now it's time to season your curry with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a quick stir and adjust any seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. Finally, stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro right before serving. This adds a wonderful burst of freshness. Serve your warm, aromatic curry potatoes as a delightful side dish or a comforting light meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.